What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today, as you can see from the title, we have got ourselves a free car. This isn't clickbait. We're on our way now to pick up a car that is costing me nothing, just my time to go and pick it up. So we are currently on our way to Fulham. So what the plan is, we're going to get the car loaded up, and then we'll do a walk around on the car. I'll explain about how I came about getting the car, and we'll talk a little more about the plans for this car. To be honest, I got a call last night, and yeah, I don't really know what the plans are with this car until we actually look at it, the condition and so on. But anyway, that's enough waffling on. Let's get there, let's get it loaded up, and then we'll take it from there. Right guys, so we just picked the car up. Just going to turn the camera around and show you. This is a 2007 Ford Focus. I think it's a 1.6. Some marks down there. This is the first time I've actually been looking at it. The wood's mine, don't worry about that. Seems like it's got Bluetooth. There's no stereo. Comes with a logbook. Comes with Ford book. It needs a good clean though. Absolute pigsty in here. Handbook's in there. Looks fine. Now the guy that got it from thinks that the spring has snapped. Little scuff in that there. Let me get the key. Remember guys, this was free. I didn't pay a penny for this. But look, it's horrible. Needs a good clean though. And it starts. But the only problem is, the guy said that the clutch had gone, so it needs a new clutch. Now, I put an advert for collecting scrap cars. Guy rang me up, said you can have it, so I just need it taken away. So went down there, loaded it onto the truck. The winch worked brilliant, and here we are. So the plan with this, it's going to go down to Copart. I'm going to put it through the auction. Obviously I'm going to give it a good clean first. We'll get that. I'll probably clean it whilst it's on. Actually I need to go and pick another car up, so obviously I'll get a bag, hoover, get all that stuff out, hoover it up, and then give it a clean, and then it will be going down to the auction. So yeah, see what we can claw back from it. I think that's a common problem, the bonnet not opening. So guys, let me know what you think. It'd be interesting to see what it goes for down the auctions. It just needs a good clean in there. So yeah, I might take the Bluetooth stuff out of there, put it in the van, so that'd be handy. But yeah, it's only a quick one. But yeah, obviously I'll let you know how it gets on at the auction and stuff. But obviously I'm going to give it a clean, so obviously I'll come back in once it's clean, just to sort of show you how well it cleans up, and then it'll be going down to Copart. So I'll get it cleaned and I'll come right back. Right, so it's a couple of days later now. What I was talking about has completely gone out the window. In regards to this Focus, it looks a little different now. I'll just turn it around. As you can see, we're missing a few parts. Now, I'll just explain. Now, originally, we was going to be putting it through auction. I did do a bit of research. Now, putting it through auction, it would have cost me £130 with all the fees and stuff. I was looking, they were going for about £200, so it weren't really worth all that effort to put it through the auction. So, what I've decided to do is I advertised it breaking for parts. So the boot lid's gone. Just show you as well that window's gone as well. The plan for this is someone's buying the wings, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh it in. It's just I haven't got the time to, you know, like I said, put through the auctions and all that sort of stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing with that. Obviously I can't leave it on the road like that. I did have a cover over it overnight, but I don't want to be upsetting anyone, so I need to get back on the truck. After I did that filming that you saw a minute ago, I went and picked this up. I paid 60 quid for this. It's a 2008 58 plate Ford Fiesta. It's 1.25, I think they're called. It's a style. Yeah, head gasket's gone. Have a look in there. I mean, it looks alright, to be fair. Got the Sony stereo. Yeah, there's nothing really too much to report on that. It's not going to be sticking around. I'm going to go down to the scrapyard now. I'm going to weigh it in. I think I'll get £110 for that. So I'm going to take the stereo out. I'll sell that, get a few quid for that. So that's the situation we're at the moment. And then what I'm going to do, I'll come back and I'm going to get the Focus on the truck. I need to take a few more parts off. Like I said, I'm probably going to take the lights off. I'm going to take the wings off. The wings are all good. And the headlights. And then what I'll do is I'll weigh it in. If I keep the cat and the battery on, you get a little bit more. So I think I'll get about 90, 100 quid for that. Plus the parts that I've already sold. So that's turning out to be a nice little earner on that. So yeah, so that's the plan. So we're going to get in the truck now. I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're going to go down. We're going to take this to the scrapyard, and then we're going to come back at some point and pick the Focus up. So yeah, ignore what I said earlier. It's supposed to be one of them ones. The plans have changed. So yeah. So what I will do is I'll get the Focus on the truck, and then we'll take it to the garage, and then we'll take the bits off that I need to take off, and then I'll probably go and weigh that in as well if I've got enough time. So yeah, hopefully we'll get all that done in today's video. It should make for a good video. So yeah, stick around and let's make our way down there. So we just got back now. What we're going to do, we're going to get that on next. I'll try and film getting it on the truck, and then what we're going to do is go to the garage. Got to take a few bits off of that, and then we can go and weigh that in. So let's do this. I don't know how much of that you caught the camera cut off. Got my new plate on it now as well. So we're all loaded. We're going to take it down to the garage. We're going to get the wings off, take the headlights off, and then we'll be taking it down the scrap. Right, so we've now got the wing off. Absolute nightmare that was to get off. So now what I'm going to do, probably get these headlights removed, and that's sort of pretty much it. I want to take the passenger side wing off, because if it's not rusted, let's have a look. A bit of scuff, well, I don't know, it's a bit damaged there. Alright, we'll leave that. See how hard these headlights are to come off. Right, Now got the both headlights out. One over there. That's sort of pretty much it, what I'm going to take off of this now. That's off, that's gone. So yeah, obviously a bit too late to get to the scrapyard now. What I'll do is I'll get down there in the morning, drop it off, and then that's it. That'll be a wrap. So yeah, that's sort of going to be all for today's video. So I'm only going to drop this down in the morning. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more content coming your way, so stick around. Guys, I'll see you very soon. Peace.